Hello guys. Sorry about that sudden weird intro there, but I'm just going to do a video on the burglar alarm just to show you the big change. I've changed the bell box for a Texicom 4. Sounds a lot better that one and a lot louder, and plus this has got a battery in it. The Connectic ADE 400 is on the front, and I'll show you that now. I'll show you through the bedroom window because the front door's locked. And they're both wired up, so if the alarm ever does go off, the front and back bell boxes will sound. They're just wired up as you usual bell box. And I'll do a video on how to wire up two bell boxes on one system next week, hopefully. There it is. I'll do a video on how to wire them both up on the same system tomorrow, perhaps. All you got to do is from one bell box, you put one wire from bell trigger and connect that to the negative supply on the other bell box, and then you just leave them shorter together, and then you just wire the other tamper from the other bell box into the bell tamper terminal. If that's a bit complicated from explaining that, I will show you a video tomorrow, perhaps, because it's too dark and this light bulb here is busted. It won't work, so I can't show you. It's not working. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.